Hello everyone! Today we are going to learn about past simple questions in Unit 7 Growing Up English Year 5. This is the lesson objectives. By the end of the lesson, pupils should be able to ask questions about events in the past. These are the success criteria for today's lesson. Pupils can make 5 past simple questions and write 8 questions based on the answers. First of all, let's look at the word order in past simple questions. When you want to ask questions and you want to use past simple, there are 5 things that you need to consider. You can start with question words or you can start with auxiliary verb. In this lesson, the auxiliary verb that we are going to use is did, followed by subject, main verb, and other words to complement the questions. For example, did he have any brothers or sisters? Did he go to university? What did they call him? When did he get a job? Don't forget to use root word for the main verb. And when you ask question, never forget to put question marks. Now, let's try to do the exercise in page 77 in your English Plus 1 textbook. Let's do number 2 and number 3. Number 2, order the words to make past simple questions. There is 1 extra word in each sentence. For example, number 1, the words given are here, you, did, do, grow up, and question mark symbol. So, what is the first word that you need to put? Yes, the first word should be did. After did, you. Then, grow up. And here. And the last one, don't forget the question mark. So try to read this sentence. Did you grow up here? Does it make sense? Yes. So the extra word that is not needed for this sentence is do. So we don't have to use do. Now the correct sentence should be like this. Did you grow up here? Now you can try to do on your own for number 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now let's try to do this exercise. Number 3, read the information about James Cameron. Write questions using the words in blue. Do you know who is James Cameron? Yes, he is the film director. Okay, now let's look at number 1. He went to school in Ontario, Canada. You have to start your question by using the word where. The question word is already given here. Where. Now, you have to change went to go. Remember the rules? You have to use verb in root word. Do you know why we have to start the question by using the word where? Because of Ontario, Canada. Ontario, Canada is the answer given. So this is the location or the place. So of course we need to use the word where. Now, the question should be like this. Where did he go to school? So where is already given for you. After where, you have to use the auxiliary verb did, and the subject is he, and went, you have changed it to go, and you just repeat the words to school. So where did he go to school? So this is the complete question for answer number 1. Let's look at number 2. His family moved to the USA when he was 17. The question word given to you is when. So you have to start with when. When did. Now you have to identify the subject used in this sentence. When did his family? Okay, that's good. When did his family? Remember, you need to find the verb. If the verb is in past tense, you need to change to the root word. Root word means no addition of d, ed, ied, ing, ses or ies. Yes, the word moved, you have to change it to move, M-O-V-E. So, when did his family move to the USA? So that is the question for number 2. I believe that you can do on your own for question number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good luck! That's all for today. Thank you very much, and don't forget to click like and subscribe. Bye! See you next time.